I've received this e.l.f. product a few days ago. This is their sponge. As you can see, they're still in the box. I haven't tried it, but I like the shape of the box. I mean, the shape of the, let me open it up. The shape of the sponge is actually, I think like all beauty blenders now are the same, but just different formula. But this is soft, and you see how it's angled. So like it's very precise where you're going to. And I like this is really pointy, so I could like actually go into my eyes while doing my makeup. So I like that. But again, I haven't tried it, so I can't tell you how well it works. But I still think like all beauty blender, all power puffs are the same thing, honestly. You look at it how you want to look at it, but I think all of them are the same. And this, they sent me their buffing foundation brush. This is how she looks. And literally, I love all e.l.f. brushes. I love it. Like e.l.f. and Morphe brushes are my favorites. So this is their buffing foundation brush. I haven't used this one, but I have another one that I have used. But I'll use this for like powder to set my under eyes. And I also have this dual-ended nose contour brush. So I guess this is to contour my nose, which I like because the one I have is not the one that the right job. Like the one that is going viral on TikTok that you just do this and it's shaping up, it's not working because I still end up with products in the middle of my nose, and that was not the job for that brush. But here, this is how she looks. This is the top part, and it has two sides to it. I honestly don't know what I'll do with this one. Probably also use it to set my concealer. I don't know yet till I use it. And they also sent me this powder puff. Like I said, powder puff sponges are the same, but this one is actually thick and solid. And obviously your girl likes pink, so definitely. This one is soft and it has like their logo right there, as you can see. Let's bring it closer. Their logo right there. But this one is more thicker. It's not like the thin ones, right? It's more thicker. So I like this one. So I don't even know what I'll use this one for, if it's for my under eyes. But I started seeing people actually setting their under eyes with a setting powder. Not a setting powder. With this. So I might try it. And this is the Halo Glow Powder Puff. It's for powder, but I see people using it for concealer, so I might use it too. I'm just saying. It's pretty cheap everywhere. So thank you for watching. That was the next product that I got from e.l.f. Bye.